Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put an SD card into the GoPro MAX2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a GoPro MAX2 and it doesn't come with the SD card, but you have a micro SD card right over here. How do you actually go ahead and put it inside the GoPro MAX2? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is that you want to go ahead and pull this tab down with the screen facing you and go ahead and slide that open. Afterwards, take your SD card. You're going to take a micro SD card, and I like to make it so that the front of the SD card faces you, and you're just going to go ahead and push it down until you feel and hear a click. So once you feel and hear that click, go ahead and close it down, push this up, and your GoPro MAX2 should be ready to go. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put an SD card into the GoPro MAX2. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.